Strengthening for hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids or piles are swollen veins in the lower rectum and anus. When these blood vessels stretch too much, they become irritated and cause discomfort. Hemorrhoids can be internal, inside the rectum, or external, under the skin around the anus. 3. 3 out of 4 people will experience them at least once in their lifetime. We strengthen the central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tailbone. We reinforce anal canal vascular structures, tightening and relaxing them fully with infinite potential, continuously. We separate weaknesses in digestive, circulatory, nervous, and muscular systems. We eliminate these issues individually and combined, reducing them to zero, continuously and infinitely. We'll balance these systems to be centered, equilibrated, and stable. Strengthen the end of the large intestine, rectum, and anus. Increase antihistamine and reduce histamine in blood vessels in that area. Strengthen anti-inflammation and reinforce the venous system in the rectal and anal region. Decongest these veins, reduce pressure and latent hemorrhoid formation, not yet present. Remove memories of pain, aggression, abuse, and torture from anal nerves causing discomfort. Tighten and relax the muscles of the anal sphincter. Strengthen both the opening and closing of the anus. Eliminate the cumulative effect of inflammation and pain. Separate physical discomfort and pain from non-physical discomfort and pain. Erase their weaknesses and combinations to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time. Strengthen to ensure they're level, centered, balanced, and stable. We eliminate the cumulative effect of neglect and indifference towards physical self-care. We erase the impact of a lifestyle that led to constipation and straining during bowel movements. We separate your physical effort from your mental and emotional efforts. We remove all the energy spent living with struggle, fatigue, and difficulty. We erase the toll of striving hard for money, relationships, and achievements. We separate these life efforts from the strain of bowel movements. We disconnect rectal and anal pressure from pressure in other life aspects. Work, family, and the pressure you put on yourself. We eliminate all experiences that caused you discomfort. We erase trauma from unspoken, misunderstood, and repressed events. We remove feelings of unworthiness, inability, and inadequacy. We erase the cumulative effect of all the times you've put yourself down through words, actions, and decisions. We remove the feeling of being inferior to others you compare yourself with. We eliminate the sense of not belonging, feeling unimportant, disrespected, and overlooked. We boost digestion speed, bowel movement rate, and sphincter control. We release all voluntary pressure in the anal veins. for staying on the toilet for extended periods. We relieve pressure from emotional factors, pressure from weakness in other body parts, and pressure from lifting heavy objects that increase strain on rectal and anal veins. We eliminate ancestral pain and discomfort. We remove false beliefs that life is uncomfortable, painful, and unfair. We erase influences from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, society, family, and self. We clear memories of anal torture, done, received, witnessed, heard, or ordered, with all cumulative effects, curses, and karmas, direct, indirect, and partially indirect, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We free the mind from this ailment, discomfort, pain, and all negative conditions. We clear the mind's accumulated effect, wrong questions, answers, and unresolved queries. We erase the mind that wrongly assumes, deduces, and concludes. We remove anger, rage, and irritation from enduring this condition. We clear misconceptions that this condition stems from bad luck, bodily flaws, or genetics. Be strong to accept that your daily habits trigger and worsen this condition. We eliminate latent issues, hemorrhoid clots, strangulation, anemia, and infections. Be strong in choosing a beneficial diet. Be strong in nourishing yourself wisely. Be strong in cultivating a rich life, both physically and spiritually. We eliminate this condition's cumulative mental, physical, and emotional effects. We remove fatigue, despair, sadness, frustration, and hopelessness. Strong desire for a healthy life. Strong to take charge of your health through daily changes. Boost regeneration, reduce degeneration. Strong for the easy, quick, and comfortable. Eliminate guilt for having, receiving, or achieving. Remove misconceptions about deserving success. Strong for sameness, difference, change, and perception. Strong for all, negative, positive, neutral in any situation. Strengthen internal and external dynamics to infinite potential. Erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity always. Reset, recalibrate, and rejuvenate body, mind, and spirit. Listen daily until this condition disappears. How do you feel, same or different?